Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It's your first class of English spoken course. In this course, you will inshallah learn some of the strategies and the new structures and how to talk about the different events, how to express opinion. I think that some of you have attended the last class, that is orientation class, where in the detail I have discussed the study plan, which will be the study plan, and that is I have designed for this course, and every day the topic is decided what we are going to study in this course. So when you join me, try to get the study plan first of all from me. You should ask, I definitely when you join me, I added you in the group and I share the study plan with you so that you can also have an idea which is that topic that we are going to discuss in the course, so that you can also know the significance of that session as soon as this session will end after the 40 minutes. Do join this session again immediately without any break. There's no break in the speaking class. As soon as this session ends, using the same ID, password and the link, you will join the session again. जो ही एंड होगा आपने दोबारा से इसको ज्वाइन कर लेना, so that without wasting the time we can complete the session that will continue till 11:13, 10 to 11:13. It will be divided into the two parts. In a class there will be the two sessions. In the first session I will deliver the lecture and I will provide you some of the concepts so that you can develop your competence about the speaking, and in the next session we will have the practice. And the course will be divided into three different parts: the part 1, the part 2, and the part 3. Few weeks, like first, second, and third week, will continue the part 1. Part 1 means that I will make you practice about those topics that are familiar to you. That you can say the introductory session, or you can say that you are supposed to introduce yourself, how you can introduce yourself, how can you talk about yourself, and how can you talk about those topics that are familiar. And after that, we will have the fourth, fifth, and sixth week almost on the presentational topics. I'll provide you some of the topics. You are supposed to think on that topic, then you will speak on those topics. You can also say that these are the cue cards I will provide you. And in the last weeks, we will have the discussion topics so that we can have also practice how to participate in the different discussions. So you can say that this course will be divided into the three different parts, while the session, every session will have the two parts: first part of the lecture and the second part of the practice part. After the session, after the class, I assign some of the tasks and I suppose you to complete the task as well so that you can have the speaking practice at home as well as. Okay, before starting the lecture, I will like to advise you, please follow the two instructions only to improve your speaking. The first is to think in English. Whenever you are to basically you want to improve yourself, or you want sometimes that you will be the very fluent in English speaking. So please try to think in English. Don't translate it. Why we translate when we don't have practice in thinking? So try to think in English when you make some plans, when you think about someone else, if you are missing someone, think about those sentences in English. It in the start it will be very difficult to think even. You will say how to think. You want to think and enjoy that thinking, that thoughts. But when you are thinking English, definitely you will not enjoy your thoughts. You will not get that peace and that soothe. But try to focus. Okay, somehow you speak in your mind in English. First you will speak in mind, then you will start speaking in natural way, in utterances, in a real world, you can say. Okay, this is the first instruction. I hope that you will follow every day. Whenever you sleep, whenever you lie on your bed, or whenever you are free or sitting under the tree, you will think in English. The second point is that don't confine yourself only to these classes. You are also supposed to have practice at home as well. How you will have that practice? When I assign you some of the topics, you should to like first of all listen on those topics. For example, you can watch any video, you can listen to any speaker, listen to him, focus on the words and expression he is using, then copy it. Then record your own audio and listen to that audio. When you listen to that audio, you will yourself figure out some of the mistakes you are making. Then you can finalize that audio and send into the group. So there will be the two tasks you are supposed to perform on the daily basis. So Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, we start our lecture. Today I will teach you how to express your opinion about a place, about a person, how you can talk about the time, weather and distance. And to talk about all those things, there's a very simple structure. You can say only a simple word that we can use. What is that word? That word is it. By using the simple word it, we can express all these things. I'm going to share my screen. Inshallah, after the class, I'll also share that notes in the group. Note that group you are in now. The group, I mean those students who are finalized, who have paid the fee. There is a separate group for those students. I will share these notes in that group. Okay, yeah, here it is the file. So, how you can talk about the times and dates by using the simple word as I said earlier, it. So, जब आपने तारीख की और डेट की बात करनी है, don't say today is Monday, today is Tuesday. It's a wrong sentence. It's very awkward sentence even you can say when you say today is Tuesday, today is such a day. Say it's such a day today. Add the word today in the start of the sentence before the it or at the end of the sentence. Today, it's such a day. Or you can say it's such a day today. So आप today से पहले यानी कि it से पहले sorry today बोल सकते हैं या sentence के end पे today लगा सकते हैं या tomorrow या yesterday any time you want to mention. लेकिन sentence जो आपने start करना है you are supposed to start your sentence with it. For example, it's nearly 9 o'clock. What is the time now? It's 10:12. It's my birthday, for example. It's Tuesday. It's the first lecture today. आज के दिन के बारे में बताना कि आज का दिन क्या है. It's the first lecture today. आज first lecture है. So you can talk about the days, or you can talk about the dates and the times by using the word it. Okay. आपने बहुत तवज्जो से सुनने क्योंकि आप सबसे मैं बारी बारी कॉल करूंगी आप लोगों को और आपने इस तरह से ही मुझे बताना होगा. नेक्स्ट है द वेदर. हाउ यू कैन टॉक अबाउट द वेदर. फॉर एग्जांपल इट्स रेनिंग आउटसाइड. सचमुच में बाहर बारिश हो रही है. सो इट्स यू कैन से इट्स रेनिंग. नॉट यू समटाइम यू सम ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स से the weather is raining, the weather is like of raining. They try to express somehow that it's raining, but they use this tense in a very awkward way. Simple say it's, it is, yeah, you can say also it is raining, it's raining, it's hot today, it's sunny, आज सूरज निकला हुआ है. और you can say it's warm today, यानी कि बहुत ज़्यादा hot नहीं है, hot से कम गर्मी को warm बोलते हैं, मतलब थोड़ी cozy like. ओके यू कैन से इट्स थंडरिंग. बिजली चमक रही है तो मौसम का ताल्लुक नहीं बिजली चमकना है मौसम वेदर से रिलेटेड है. थंडरिंग. इट्स थंडरिंग तो बिजली चमक रही है इट्स या इट इज थंडरिंग. इट्स लवली डे. इट वाज गेटिंग कोल्ड. ठंड हो रही थी. दैट्स व्हाई कुडंट गो आउटसाइड. इट वाज गेटिंग कोल्ड. So cold, lovely, raining. These words are related to the weather. So you will add the word it. आपने it add कर देना. If you want to talk about the distance, आपने distance बताना है किसी को, you want to guide about the distance, or you want to ask about the distance, you will use the word it. For example, how far is it to Toronto? How far is it to reach Sargodha? How far is your academy? So if you want to talk about the academy, how far it is to reach your academy from my home? Or you can say how far how much distance it is from my academy to your office. So you can use the word it. It doesn't necessarily that you will use the word how far. आप वैसे distance पूछ लेंगे how many hours it take to reach to England for example. तो आप it का वर्ड आपने लाजमी यूज करना है. अब आपने इसका आंसर करना होगा. आप कहेंगे it takes almost 1 hour to reach England from Pakistan. ऐसे मैं मजाक में बात कर रही हूँ मतलब एग्जाम्पल के तौर पे. It takes आप it के बाद you can use the word take कि इतना टाइम. अगर आपने टाइम बताना है तो आप बताएं वर्ड यूज करेंगे take. It takes 1 hour to reach. आपने कुछ भी बता दिया कहीं पहुंचने में. अदरवाइज आप कह सकते हैं अगर डिस्टेंस एग्जैक्ट मेंशन करने इट इज 5 miles अवे. अवे होते हैं इतना दूर है. 5 miles अवे फ्रॉम माई होम. ये 5 मील के फासले पर वो है. फ्रॉम माई होम. राबिया प्लीज डोंट राइट ऑन द बोर्ड. Okay, so you can talk about the distance by using the word it. अब it भले का बहुत छोटा वर्ड है लेकिन इसका यूज बहुत ज्यादा है. और फिर ये ऐसे ऐसे सेंटेंसेस में लगता है जहां हमें समझ नहीं आ रही थी कि हमने डिस्टेंस मेंशन है. डिस्टेंस इज द 5 miles. हम यहाँ पर डिस्टेंस यूज कर देते हैं जब हमें समझ नहीं आ रही होती है ना. तो वो बहुत ऑकवर्ड लगता है. ट्राई टू स्पीक लाइक नेटिव स्पीकर्स. डिस्टेंस इज 5 miles अवे. डिस्टेंस दूर नहीं है. डिस्टेंस तो है कि इतना डिस्टेंस है. डिस्टेंस तो दूर नहीं है जगह दूर है. तो आपने वर्ड इट यूज करना है. ओके. So how you can give the opinion about a place? किसी जगह के बारे में बताना है. For example, if I ask you to tell me where you are now, इस वक्त आप लोग कहाँ हैं? Describe your room. अपने रूम को describe करें. या where you are, for example, in any city, आप city को describe कर सकते हैं. So to give the opinion about a place, you will also use the word it. For example, it's very cold in here. अंदर बहुत सर्दी है. It's cozy. It's airy. It's spacious. स्पेशियस किसे कहते हैं? SPACIOUS. बहुत ज्यादा जगह होने को. फॉर एग्जाम्पल माई रूम इज वेरी स्पेशियस. मेरा रूम बहुत बड़ा है. इसमें काफी खुली जगह है. एक्स्ट्रा जगह भी है. इट्स वेरी स्पेशियस. इट्स एरी. हवादार है. इट्स कूजी. सर्दी में गर्म हो जाता है. इट्स टुडे इज वेरी कोल्ड इन हेयर. अंदर बहुत सर्दी है यहाँ रूम में. इट्स वेल फर्निश्ड. ये वेल फर्निश्ड यानी कि सारा फर्नीचर वगैरह इसमें है. So you can use the word it to describe and to give any opinion about a place. You can also use it to express your opinion or to express something about a person. A person को describe करने के लिए there are the two ways. ये एक पहला वे है. This is the first structure you can use. it के साथ आपने स्ट्रक्चर यूज करना है. वो क्या स्ट्रक्चर है कि जब आपने इट का वर्ड यूज करना है किसी पर्सन को डिस्क्राइब मतलब उसकी के बारे में किसी ओपिनियन का इजहार करने का. आपसे उसको मिलकर कैसे अच्छा लगा. वो बंदा कौन है किस तरह है. इट्स प्लीजिंग. अब एडजेक्टिव आपने लगा लेना है. इट लगाना है. इज लगाना है. और एडजेक्टिव कोई खूबी आपने बतानी है. इट्स प्लीजिंग. ट्राई टू स्पीक पॉजिटिवली रेदर देन नेगेटिवली. वैसे आप कोई नेगेटिव एडजेक्टिव भी लगा सकते हैं. पॉजिटिव यूजली लगाया करें. इट्स प्लीजिंग. अब प्लीजिंग के बाद एडजेक्टिव के बाद आपने टू लगाना है. किस बात की आपको खुशी है. इट्स प्लीजिंग टू कॉल यू. आपको कॉल करके मुझे अच्छा लगा. टू टॉक टू यू. आपसे बात करके मुझे अच्छा लगा. टू मीट यू. आपसे मिलके मुझे अच्छा लगा. इट्स सूदिंग. ये बहुत सूदिंग है मतलब पीसफुल है. टू हैव यू इन माई लाइफ. आपको अपनी जिंदगी में रखना ही नहीं. आप मेरी जिंदगी में शामिल हो. इट्स सूदिंग फॉर मी. मेरे लिए बहुत सूदिंग है. इट्स ब्लेसिंग. It's blessing to have you as my friend. तो एक ओपिनियन का हम इजहार कर रहे हैं किसी भी पर्सन के बारे में. we can use the word it, then we will add the is, then we will add any adjective. ये वो एडजेक्टिव होते हैं जो वर्ब से मिलके बनता है. That's why we add ing after them. Please से pleasing. Please होता है किसी को खुश करना. तो प्लीज से आप ing ऐड कर देंगे. इट विल बी द एडजेक्टिव प्लीजिंग. सूद होता है किसी को आराम पहुंचाना सुकून पहुंचाना. सूद के साथ ing लगा देंगे सूदिंग जिससे हमें आराम पहुंचता है सुकून मिलता है मजा आता है. Bless, किसी को नेमत से नवाजना. अब ब्लेस है किसी को नेमत से नवाजना, तो ब्लेस के साथ हमने आईएनजी ऐड कर लिया तो ब्लेसिंग एडजेक्टिव बन गए हैं. जब भी किसी वर्ब के साथ आप एनजी पुट कर लेते हैं या वो नाउन बन जाता है या वो एडजेक्टिव बन जाता है. इट्स प्लीजिंग, सूदिंग, ब्लेसिंग, ये सारे एडजेक्टिव हैं. इट्स नाइस, जैसे कि उन्होंने एडजेक्टिव लिख दिया, मैंने वर्ब से बना के एडजेक्टिव लिखे थे. इट्स नाइस, इट्स कूल. कूल हम वैसे एक्सप्रेशन यूज करते हैं जब हमें अच्छा लगता है, हम मतलब एक खुशगवार हमारा वो एक्सपीरियंस होता है. इट्स कूल टू गो विद यू देयर. आपके साथ वहां जाना बहुत कूल रहा है, मजा आया. इट्स कूल टू गो विद यू देयर. You can use any adjective and after that you will add to. So what will be the structure for it? Structure आप note कर लें. First of all you will add it, then you will put is. क्योंकि adjective है इसलिए adjective के साथ हमेशा singular आता है. Then you will add any adjective. कोई भी आप positive adjective you can add. After that you will add to, and then you can add verb. याद रखिएगा आफ्टर दिस टू, जो टू है ना टीओ, ऑलवेज ऑलवेज ऐड वर्ब आफ्टर दिस टू. इसके बाद हमेशा वर्ब आता है. एक प्रेपोजिशन वाला टू भी होता है, उसके बाद फिर नाउन आता है. वो मैं आपको बताऊंगी आगे जाके वो कौन सा टू होता है, वो कब यूज होता है. यहाँ पे जो टू यूज होता है ये इन्फिनेटिव के लिए होता है, यानी कि टू के बाद हमेशा वर्ब लगाना है. कोई भी काम, गो, हैव रखना एक काम है, टॉक, स्लीप, मीट, ये सारे वर्ब हैं. ठीक है, तो टू के बाद में कोई वर्ब लगाना है, इसके बाद एडजेक्टिव लगाना है, और बाकी रिमेनिंग सेंटेंस यू विल राइट. ठीक है, नोट डाउन दिस स्ट्रक्चर. आपने ये स्ट्रक्चर नोट कर लें. ये स्ट्रक्चर है टू गिव ओपिनियन अबाउट अ पर्सन. किसी शख्स के बारे में ओपिनियन देने के लिए यू कैन यूज दिस सेंटेंस, दिस स्ट्रक्चर. ओके, ये नोट करें. वी कंटिन्यू फर्दर. चलिए, आई थिंक आप नोट कर चुके हैं. आई एम गोइंग टू डिलीट इट. Okay. So you can also give an opinion by adding. ये भी बल्कि ना करें, इसकी प्रैक्टिस मैं आपको नहीं, तो आप उसकी प्रैक्टिस कर लेंगे, एंड पे मैं आपको कहूँगा, मिक्स हो जाएंगे दोनों. ओके, पहले हम यहाँ तक प्रैक्टिस करते हैं. यस, विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम राबिया. यस राबिया, कैन यू प्लीज अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ.
Yeah, ma'am. Sure.
Okay. Rabia, you are supposed to I mention at least 3 sentences about every heading. First of all, you will say 3 sentences about time, then 3 sentences related to the dates, then weather. It's a three sentences you are supposed to speak. Please speak.
Okay, ma'am. Let me check your screen. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, we have to talk about. I have to talk about time and date.
Yes, yes.
It's my wedding anniversary today.
Oh, great.
It's it's almost half an hour done. Okay, it's nearly 12 o'clock, and when it comes to it's rainy season.
Okay, now you are talking about weather. Okay, good.
It's cold day today, and it's hot day today.
At the same
Now
time.
distance, how far is it to the hospital from here?
Okay, good.
Okay. It's almost 500 kilometers far from here.
Okay. Now give an opinion about the place you are in now. Tell me about
Okay.
room or house.
Yeah, it's very cold here. It's very cozy kind of season, kind of weather here. And it's what should I say?
Dear-
It's normal season here. It's normal weather here.
Okay.
Not too hot, not too cold.
Okay. It's a beautiful place or it's ugly or it's congested, it's sophisticated or you can say it's like office. What type of place it is?
It is very spacious room.
Okay.
Mm, and uh, it's uh, it's airy
Oh,
environment. It's airy room.
okay, great.
And it's one more I have to make.
Yeah.
Okay.
How
It's
important?
windy
Okay, very
season.
good. Very good, very good. Good. Yes, Itra Ehsan. Can you unmute yourself, please? Itra Ehsan. Itra, can you listen to us? And can you unmute yourself? Click on the icon, then you will be able to unmute yourself. Okay, she's not willing, I think, to speak. Yes, Fauziya. Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now
Yes, ma'am.
let's start speaking.
Okay, ma'am. Sure.
Yes.
Should I start from the top?
Yes.
Times and dates.
Yes, yes, yes.
It's very late at night, or it's
Yes, good.
near 11 o'clock. Um, Next is it was getting very cold due to hailstorm. It's very pleasant day. It's cloudy.
Okay.
And the distance, it takes 3 hours to reach to a restaurant. It takes me 5 miles to get to university.
That's great.
And then to give an opinion, it's very amazing to get the IELTS class, and
Thank you for your compliment.
it's yes, it's very pleasing to talk to the fellows,
Great.
and it's that we have opportunity for this class.
Okay, that's good. You want to say it's a great opportunity to learn. Okay, in this class. Good.
Yes. Okay. Yeah, it's very precise.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Can you please
Welcome.
describe the place where you are now?
Um, yes, it's very spacious room,
Hmm.
and
Yes.
it's very artistic type. Ma'am, I
Yes.
can't explain.
Okay. Um, is it well furnished or a very simple room?
Uh, it's simple room, not well furnished.
Okay. It is a carpeted room or not?
It's not
Okay, good. Yes, thank
just
you.
a table
Okay, I got you.
and yes.
Yes, the third is Veem.
Okay, welcome.
The third, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am. Gigi.
Now start.
Gigi. Hello.
Yes. Now start speaking.
Okay. It's 10 it's 10 p.m. It's 10 p.m. It's 10 o'clock. It is okay. It is the birthday of my mother. Today is my mother birthday, and
Don't say today is my mother's birthday. Say it's birthday
okay,
of my mother. Yeah, you can say it's my
okay,
mother's birthday.
okay. It's mother's birthday. It's rain. It's rain heavy. It's raining cats and dog.
Yes.
And it's very lovely day, and it's very beautiful day.
Hmm.
It's very pleasure day today.
Hmm.
Next कीजिएगा distance. There my college is near to my house. It's only 15 miles, 5 miles far.
Okay.
It is very, my opinion, my school, my college is it's very big, and it's very comfort. What क्या opinion?
What should don't say oh kya bolu say what should I can say more? Okay, I'll ask the question.
What should I can say?
Okay, you are not describing your college. Okay, is your college let me ask a question. Is it constructed in a proper way or it's a very simple building?
Sorry, I can't catch your words.
It is a constructed building. Constructed होते properly जो तामीर की गई है. Is it a constructed building or a simple structured building? It's simple.
No, it's simple structured building. It's very old college.
Okay, it's like an old college. Okay.
It's like old college.
Okay.
Number of new construction in this college and new departments like computer lab, more science labs, physics labs, and
Is it
biology
far away
labs.
from the main road? Is it far away from your main road?
No, it's the opposite of the main road. It's on the Court Road.
Okay. Yes, Sadi Anju. Assalamu alaikum. Sadi Anju,
Walaikum assalam, ma'am.
how are you?
Alhamdulillah.
Where were you? You joined very late.
Yes, ma'am, I have some internet problem today.
Okay. Now we are going to start an activity. The meeting will end after 3 minutes. As soon as the meeting will end, you are supposed to join it immediately without wasting a single second. Okay, we'll
Okay,
start
ma'am.
with activity. The activity is that, first of all, you will introduce yourself one by one. Then I'll tell you what you are going to do. We start from Sadia Anjum. Sadia, you are supposed to tell your name, your education, your your work, or your routine, your hobbies, your liking, your dislikings, each and everything you will tell about your family as well, about your city. Yes, no start.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Sadia.
Ma'am, your screen is not showing. Please, can you show the screen?
No. Without showing the screen, you will speak. आप अपनी screen देख के क्या करना है? Just speak out.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, your voice was disturbed, so can you please repeat your questions?
You are supposed to speak out about yourself. Basically, you are here to introduce yourself. While introducing yourself, you can mention a lot of points. Like, first of all, you will mention your name, the meaning of your name, about your family, about your education, about your work, about your routine, about your liking, about your disliking, about your city, about your house. Each and everything you will mention in your introduction as much as you can. Just start speaking now.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, my name is Sadia Anjum, and I have done MPhil Mathematics from ComSci University, Islamabad. And currently, I am working as a government teacher. And also, I am doing an online business as a side business, as a side work. And I am from Miyawali. Um, and there are 4 members in my family: my mother, father, and my brother, and my auntie. And ma'am, next,
Yes.
um,
About your liking, dislikings, hobbies, routine.
yes, ma'am. And my hobby is reading books. And liking, disliking, I mean, in which sense?
In any sense.
Um,
For example,
okay,
you can say, I
I'm
like to wake up early in the morning and I don't like to take nap in afternoon. In this sense, you can mention.
okay. Okay. So actually, basically, I'm a lazy girl, but for now, I am trying to be active and to be more productive. So uh, mm, nowadays, I am trying. I am trying to wake up early and also to set the routines for my namaz and to bring some discipline in my life. And